Do you like going to the vet?
Let me see. My big teeth are coming.
Murphy, you stay. Murphy, get your butt.
Oh my God, is that your friend? Oh my God. Oh my God.
Good boy, good boy.
Put your hand in mine. You know that I won't stop until I...
Big guy. Oh, just a happy big guy. Oh, just.
Stop.
And I can put it in a bun. And I can put it in a bun.
Look at that! Y'all are doing the snoozy.
He, thanks for going outside, because that's the only time I put...
Oh my goodness. Hello. Hi, you're so cute.
Making my way back home, been a long day, time to see my fluffy dog. Little.
Big happy guy. Oh, just a happy.
Oh my God! Okay, it's happening. Everybody stay calm.
I need you to sign this for me.
You know, watch your mouth.
Finding here, 2 boys eating dirt from the ground, 1 girl eating dirt from the green onions, and 1 old woman eating rocks.
His ears? Adorable.
Casey!
Cordy Radio.
Oh no, he can't get up the stairs. There he goes. Oh. 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 Hello. Hello. Hello.
And that makes me question getting married. Can you like think of me? Like how hard is
You're adopted. Yeah. You're not mine. You're adopted. Yeah.
Oh, I have a question. Do you want to go on a walk?
Meso.
No, 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 no.
Respect my privacy. You better delete that footage.
What are you gonna do? You gonna fight?
It's okay.
Shut the door.
Ignore.
Cam, stop.
Ava, what are you doing?
Did you get that? That's like off the video. That's like off them cat videos.
What?
I owed him up.
That's evil. You're difficult.
scared.
Helicopter, helicopter.
Honey, I don't think you found its intended purpose.
Oh my god.
So just chill out. You know, drink a 7-Up, eat a moon pie, quit murdering people.
He's telling you to move.
Can we just stop? Look at those feet. The cuteness. Are you covering your eyes? Is it too bright in here?
What the heck? Where did you come from? What? I'm not allowed to watch this? Huh? What?
Bean! No. Stop. No.
Steif und fest, dass der Fleck schon vorher auf den Plan war. C. Lena verzichtet auf die Wahrheit und nimmt die Schuld.
И смотри как она